Sometimes we may find that despite our best efforts to set our tables up correctly at the beginning, we may need to make structural changes to them, adding or deleting columns or changing the data types. We'll look in this lesson at how to add a column to an existing table. This is easy in PHP.MyAdmin. To add columns, you click on Structure at the top, and then under Add, choose how many columns to add and where in the table they should go, after an existing column or at the beginning of the table. But we want to learn the SQL query, so let's do it by hand instead. We'll add a column for telephone numbers to the customers table, and we'll call it landline. The basic syntax to alter a table by adding a column is alter table, table name, add column name, then the data type and in parentheses the size. Let's go to the SQL input box and do this. Alter table, customers, add landline. We'll use varchar as the data type. Phone numbers are not really numerical data, we're never going to perform arithmetic on them, and they may contain other symbols, such as a plus sign at the beginning, and spaces or dashes, formatting like that, in the middle. And a size of 20 should be enough. Click Go, and the new column will be added. Click on Structure, and we can see it listed there. You may remember that right at the beginning of this chapter, when we created the table, we set a default collation of UTF-8 MB4 and a default character set of UTF-8 MB4 Unicode CI. Because we set up those defaults at that stage, there's no need to set the collation and character set again when we add a new column. They're already set at those defaults. But if we did, for some reason, want to change the collation and character set, we do it in much the same way as we did for table creation, by listing those details after the data type and size. A full add column statement would be alter table, table name, add new column name, data type, parentheses, size, character set, remember 2 words, UTF-8 MB4, collate UTF-8 MB4 Unicode CI. Null, if we want null or empty values to be allowed, after column name, specifying the position of the new column in the table. This can be after an existing column, or first for first in the table, or if we don't specify a position, the new column will be the last in the table. So that's how to add a column to an existing table. In the next, very short lesson, we'll see how to alter the data type for an existing column.